Academy. Woodpeckers are a diverse family of birds known scientifically as Picidae. They are famous for their distinctive behavior of pecking into tree bark with their strong, chisel-like beaks to find insects, create nesting cavities, and communicate through drumming. Physical characteristics. Size ranges from small to medium-sized, typically about 5 to 20 inches in length. Beak, strong and pointed for drilling into wood. Head, often equipped with a shock-absorbing skull to withstand repeated impacts. Tongue, long and barbed, used to extract insects from deep within the bark. Feet, zygodactylous, 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, to grasp tree trunks securely. Tail, stiff tail feathers that provide support when they cling to tree surfaces. Habitat. Woodpeckers are found worldwide, except in Australia, Madagascar, and New Zealand. They inhabit forests, woodlands, and even urban parks with mature trees. Diet. Primarily insects such as beetles, ants, and larvae. Some species also consume fruits, nuts, and sap. Behavior. Drumming, a rapid pecking on wood. Serves as a form of communication and territorial display. Foraging. They climb tree trunks and branches, using their beaks to uncover hidden insects. Nesting. They excavate cavities in dead or decaying wood to lay eggs. Conservation. While many woodpecker species are abundant, some are threatened due to habitat loss and deforestation. Subscribe, like and share.